They laughed at the desert. They said nothing could grow here. No rivers, no forests, no fertile land, just endless sand and unbearable heat. But today, planes land from every corner of the world. Skyscrapers rise where camels once walked, and a city built on sand now controls global attention. This is the story of Dubai. Before the glass towers and luxury, Dubai was a fishing village. People survived by pearl diving, trading dates, and enduring the harsh desert sun. Life was brutal, opportunities were limited, and most of the world didn't even know Dubai existed. Then oil was discovered. But here's what makes Dubai different. Oil was never the plan. Leaders knew oil would run out. Sand would remain. So instead of spending blindly, they invested boldly. They built ports, airports, trade routes. They opened their doors to the world while others closed theirs. They welcomed talent, business, and innovation, regardless of nationality. While many nations fought over resources, Dubai focused on vision. Skyscrapers weren't built to impress. They were built to attract opportunity. Luxury wasn't vanity, it was strategy. Every bold structure sent one message: the future lives here. But it wasn't easy. There were failures, financial crashes, skepticism. People said the dream was too big for a city born in the desert. Yet they kept building, not on oil, but on belief. And today, Dubai stands as proof of one brutal truth. Your starting point does not decide your ending. Your environment does not limit your vision. And nothing is often the best foundation for something extraordinary. If a desert can become a global empire, then your background, your struggles, your limitations are not excuses. They are raw materials. If this story inspires you, subscribe to Epic Life Hub. Turn on notifications, like this video, and comment below, what are you building from nothing? Your story might be next.